Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 73. Arjuna said, "Destroyed is my delusion as I have now gained my memory, knowledge, through your grace, O Achyuta. I am firm, my doubts are gone. I will do according to your word, bidding."
Chapter 18, Shloka 73. Arjuna uvacha nashto mohasmritirlabdha tvatprasadan mayachyuta stitosmi gata sandegah karishye vachanam tava.
Chapter 18, Shloka 73. Arjuna confesses that his confusions have ended. The purpose of the Gita is to help us regain recognition of our real nature. It is not something that we have to gain something from somewhere. The great being within us is now lying veiled beneath our own egocentric confusions and fears. Even when we are suffering the tragic sorrows of the ego, we are in reality none other than our own self. Like when the dream ends, along with it all the dream's confusions end, so too when we awaken to our real divine nature, our confusions end. All our sorrows, hesitations, fears, and the doubts and despairs of the mind come to an end, and we rediscover our balance born out of wisdom. Arjuna re-evaluates the situation because of his revived personality and knows exactly what is his duty, and so declares that I will do according to your word, due to his pure intelligence. Similarly, when we have a clear picture of the goal of life and know what path to follow and what to avoid, we surrender to our own higher intellect and declare confidently and with faith, I shall do thy bidding. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.